So, Mitch, there's a lot of talk about different kinds of trust. So, what kind of trust are there out there?
Maybe the most common trust out there is a revocable living trust. I'm 61. I have a revocable living trust. My children are all under the age of 30. I have very young grandchildren. So it's the right tool for me. I am the trustee of my trust. I can do anything with it I want. I can terminate it. I can take property out of it. It doesn't prevent me from doing anything, and it's all still my property. A common misconception that I hear frequently is I have a revocable living trust that will protect the assets inside the trust from Medicaid or a nursing home. It does not. If I can get in the trust, so can Medicaid. Those assets are available to me. They're available to Medicaid. They're also available to any creditor I might have out there. If I had a financial catastrophe, my creditors could get inside that trust and take the money out. Revocable living trusts are very good at taking care of, say my children down the road if one of them became disabled or whatever the case may be, or we don't want this to happen when one of my children passes and they leave children. Well, I've already made provisions inside that trust to take care of them for quite a few years. And so they're a very good tool. I like them. I do revocable living trust all the time for the right people. Then we have irrevocable trust. And again, we can put a name up on top of something that says irrevocable trust or revocable living trust. You could say revocable living trust and give it the title and read the document and find out it's actually irrevocable. That title pretty much means nothing, but we try to title them appropriately, okay? Usually we're going to say it's an irrevocable trust at the top, but really what makes it irrevocable is the contents of the trust and what it says. There's a lot of different kinds of irrevocable trusts to accomplish different objectives. There's some out there for estate gift planning purposes. Usually we don't have to worry too much about that because right now a couple can pass $25 million estate and gift tax free, pretty much. I don't know anybody in that world, and it's okay. There's attorneys that specialize in that area, and they can see those attorneys. That's just not the case. So I don't work with those kind of trusts. I work a lot with something I'm going to call an asset protection trust. It is an irrevocable trust. It does protect your home, your savings, your land, your farm, whatever you put in it. It can protect it from Medicaid or the cost of nursing home care. But one caveat, we don't want to do it too soon. Okay. Timing is important. And so there are lots of different kinds of trusts out there. Trusts are tools, and they're a tool for you. And so we need to make sure that you have the right tools in your toolbox. If you want to learn more about revocable living trust or irrevocable trust and how they might fit in your estate plan, give us a call at the offices of Mitch Cash at 870-704-4058 and Harrison 870-448-3600 in Marshall. I think you can see the phone numbers down there at the bottom of the screen too. If you didn't catch that, we look forward to seeing you and giving you the help you need.